the stick, Rico. I really want to fly.
Are you really gonna shoot yourself out of that thing?
I've always dreamed of doing this. From a time I was a little pup. To be a human cannibal. Except, you know, a sea lion cannibal.
Is it dangerous?
Is it dangerous? Yes, of course it's dangerous.
Now, are you sure about this?
I'm sure.
Because if blowed up is your thing, then you're in the right place.
See, that means a yes.
Ready for launch?
Ready for lunch.
Fire in the hole!
Wait!
Hi! Mamma mia! Help me!
Rico, get the cannon ready. Same charge.
Fire in the hole!
Marty, I'm so glad you're here.
Woo! I was flying. I was effing L-Y-N.
I'm proud of you, but I don't think I can hold on much longer.
Oh, yeah, right. Sorry about my enthusiasm. Here, wrap this around you. All right, I got you. Forget about being part of the herd. I'm gonna be part of the flock. I'm gonna fly, baby.
Oh, yes! What a triumph!
Wait, what you doing? Come on, have your guts for God.
Hey, put your weapons down. Come on,
get
guys, chill out. Cute and cuddly's obviously not your thing.
What? Oh, he's got us pegged.
I got a better idea. Show him, Rico.
Oh, that was great! Rocket shoes! Come on!
Hey, hi.
I admire how you have inspired these animals. And what you said about passion, it was like poetry.
I love passion and poetry. They go together, really. I mean, I know they don't rhyme.
Trapeze is my passion.
Terrific. I look forward to seeing you up there.
You can teach me.
What?
Teach me.
Oh, well, you know, I've always been kind of a solo act, so that kind of rules that out.
I wonder if you actually do trapeze.
Oh, I actually do trapeze.
Show me.
Show me? What are we, 5?
I am 5, yes.